Hi, welcome to my channel Shopzone. Are you looking for best products on Amazon? Here will best products review on Amazon. Let's start. Number 5. Winsome Timmy Accent Table, Black. About this item: accent table 3 drawer width knob, drawer interior, 10.1 width x 13.3 depth x 3.9 height inches each, black finish, assembly required. Number 4. Decor Therapy Keaton Traditional Round Side Storage End Table, 26x 17.75, Vintage Cherry. About this item: constructed of Chinese oak and veneer, constructed of Chinese oak and veneers, finished in a beautiful, vintage cherry for a traditional style, unique round design, features one top drawer and bottom door for extra storage. Number 3. Winsome Wood Eugene Accent Table, Walnut. About this item: wood nightstand. Assembly required. Wood nightstand finished in antique walnut, drawer and door with pull for storage. Material: solid/composite wood. Sturdy construction, easy to assemble with parts and tools included. Number 2. Winsome Eugene Table, White. About this item: wood nightstand finished in white. Assembly required. Material: wood. Item dimensions: 18.9 L x 14.9 W x 25 H, drawer and door with pull for storage. Sturdy construction, traditional styling. Dimensions: WXDXH 18.9 in x 14.96 in x 25 in, easy to assemble with parts and tools included. Number 1. Winsome Eugene Accent Table, 18.9 inches, Espresso. About this item: rectangular end/accent table from Winsome wood for living room or bedside use. Tabletop holds 50 pounds and the racks holds 20 and 30 pounds respectively. Beechwood construction with warm espresso finish, slightly tapered legs, equipped with one drawer and one single shelf cabinet, round satin nickel knobs on drawer and cabinet door. Home assembly required, comes with necessary tools and hardware upon assembly. Measures 19 inch wide by 15 inch deep by 25 inch high. Tabletop holds 50.